looking for a state-of-the-art medical center that can treat vein problems and a doctor who provides a distinct, individualized approach, we found your place. Take a look. For just a few moments, take a look at your legs. Do you like what you see, or are some veins just not right? If you're in pain and think there's something wrong, there is a place that can help.
Well, here at SIRAGUSA Vein and Vascular, we focus on vein and vascular disease, which typically involves varicose and spider veins of the legs. Venous disease can also involve ulcers and swelling and other symptoms with leg problems.
SIRAGUSA Vein and Vascular offers the most cutting-edge technology, multiple treatment options, and a doctor who's youthful but experienced.
I did a 5-year general surgery residency followed by 2-year vascular surgery fellowship. During those 2 years, we focused exclusively on problems dealing with the circulation and was board certified as shortly after completing my fellowship.
And for the last 7 years, he's been taking care of vein disease for Middle Tennesseans like Mom Tara Miller.
When I became pregnant with my first child, I started noticing some discoloration in my legs, aching, and then soon after a couple weeks, and about the end of my first trimester, I started noticing veins come to the surface, and it became really concerning for me.
After Dr. SIRAGUSA took a look at Tara's legs using the VeinViewer, he knew how to help.
I can play with my kids more. I'm more active with them. I'm a better mom for them all around.
Let's get back to that special technology that you definitely won't find at every vascular surgery clinic.
One of the things we've been doing lately is using a device called a VeinViewer in the treatment of spider veins. What that allows us to do is that allows us to treat the feeder veins that are actually causing the spider veins that people see and complain about. Spider veins, while they are cosmetic, it's a circulatory problem. And so it's not a matter of just removing a blemish or removing a mole or a sunspot. This is more physiology involved, and that's what the VeinViewer helps us to capitalize on.
Initially, I saw my primary doctor, and I'd gone to him complaining about swelling in my leg and pain, redness, and he referred me to Dr. SIRAGUSA. After coming here, he determined it was a vein that needed to be sealed off, and after he did the procedure, it felt a lot better, and I'm able to do a lot more than I was before.
Dr. SIRAGUSA, a board-certified vascular surgeon, used sclerotherapy, or spider vein treatment, on Keith's legs, which, as you can see here, makes veins disappear almost like magic.
During the treatment, as the medicine is being injected into the vein, it displaces the blood, which is what you really see. What you really see is the blood.
SIRAGUSA Vein and Vascular says that insurance companies and Medicare will cover the evaluation and treatment for symptom-producing varicose vein disease. If you're in pain, it's time to get the help you need.
When a patient comes back in the office and they're smiling and telling me how much more they're able to do now because their legs feel so much better, that's really the end game for me for this whole job.
Now I feel great, and I'm able to move around, get out of bed easier. My day-to-day activities have just improved, and self-esteem is definitely improved.
SIRAGUSA Vein and Vascular has locations in Hermitage and in Green Hills. Now, the first 20 callers today to 615-884-7600 will receive a complimentary evaluation and $100 off spider vein treatment. You can also find them online at NashvilleVeinandLaser.com.